So you're just walking into your first studio class. Get all the props that you need. I've got my 2 blocks. Let's sit it down here. I'm here to tell you about what to do just before class starts. So you're about 10 minutes beforehand and you're like, what am I supposed to do over here? You got the lowdown right here. So first, grab a hold of your feet. Your right hand grabs hold of your left foot. Your left hand's holding onto the left shin. Roll the ankles around. Spread the toes, pull them right back in. Maybe you get some fingers in between the toes, just spacing them out, creating some space. Now you've been in shoes all day. Squeeze them in, stretch them out, roll the ankles. Set that down. Do the same thing, other side. The left side needs some love too, right? Your left side. Hold on, roll the ankles, squeeze in tight, pull the toes, just mobilizing the foot, and lower that down. So you've got about 5 minutes left. Let's go to the next important thing, the breath. Right hand, center of the chest, left hand right above the navel. Take a deep inhale, set your shoulders down, exhale that all out, perfect. Let's do that again. Inhale, hold the breath maybe at the top, and then exhale, sigh that all out. Last time, inhale. On the next exhale, let go of the to-do list, the things that you're going to do after class, the stuff that annoyed you before class, all the other stuff that you're thinking about, let it go. Exhale. All right, great. So what we're going to do now is move the blocks out to the side. And we're going to come to hands and knees. Now this position, sometimes you might hear it as tabletop, because it might look like it's a tabletop. You're gonna tuck your pelvis under, round the back of your body, behind your shoulder blades up towards the ceiling, and then tuck your chin into your chest. You're gonna undo that curl by tucking your tailbone up towards the ceiling, relaxing the center of your chest down to the floor, and then slightly lifting the head up towards the ceiling. Repeat. Tuck your tailbone under, pull your core in as tight as you can, rounding out your back. This might look like a cat, because we call it cat. And then untuck this, pull the tailbone up towards the ceiling, rounding the chest down towards the floor. Think of like a full belly cow. Does that look good? Yeah, do you feel that? Yeah. So it's a nice little stretch to mobilize the spine. You're gonna keep moving with your inhales and exhales. And if you ever get to class and you hear cat cow, this is exactly what we're talking about. Feeling good. Still breathing. So as you keep on moving through this cat and cow, start to add your breath. A little bit more complicated here, right? Tuck your tailbone under, pull your core in as you exhale. Inhale, unfurl. Exhale. Inhale. So now you're synchronizing your breath with your movement, which, by the way, means you are now in the state of yoga. Check you out. Inhale and exhale, push. Inhale, come right back to tabletop. Awesome. So these are all the tips that you need. I hope you check that out on your mat. See you in a studio class near you. And if you're not, check me out on Yoga International. Like, subscribe. See you on the other side of play.